Bless up, big up, and hail massive, all day every day. Recently, I posted a video on 3 tips to pay off your mortgage early. In this video, I wanted to share some additional tips to pay off your mortgage early. I've put together some truly practical mortgage payoff strategies that has been proven to work and help millions of people get rid of their mortgage early. Now, you might think that you'll be paying off your mortgage for the rest of your life, but there are a number of ways you can reduce the time. The methods I'm going to discuss today do not require you to take significant amount of money out of your pocket. Let's talk about these mortgage payoff strategies, but before I get into the video, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you're alerted each time I post a video, which will help you earn a little extra in your pocket. Tip 1. Use the $1 a month strategy. The $1 a month strategy is simply and probably the most practical on this list. This option is even more effective if you're financially stable and obtain income increases consistently over time. This approach is to simply increase your mortgage payment by $1 every month. Yes, I said it, $1. Simply pay $900 the first month, $901 the second month, and so on. You think $1 is meaningless? Then how about paying $5 every month? How about $10 every month? You set your rate, stretch your budget slightly, and start making payments. If you apply this method for a 6% 30-year mortgage with a $900 payment per month, you'll be able to reduce the term of your mortgage by 8 to 10 years. Tip 2. Budget for an extra payment each year. In my last video, bi-weekly payments can be hard to keep up with. If you don't want the hassle, make a single extra payment once per year. You might need a tax refund or bonus to fund this type of strategy though. If you earmark the entire amount towards your loan principal, you will be able to reduce the length of your repayment term. This can save a lot of money in interest. You should consider this when deciding how to repay your loan. The faster you pay off your principal, the less interest you will pay in the long run. Tip 3. Use the double up method. You select how much additional payment you would like to add to your monthly mortgage payment and double that amount each month for a year. So, for example, let's say the starting amount is $5. You will apply $5 to your mortgage in the first month, then $10 in the second month, and then $20 in the third month, and so on. The approach works because of its psychological effects. Starting at $5 will seem like nothing to you. The same feeling will apply for $10. You will notice that you'll automatically adjust your living habits each month without even knowing it. Challenge yourself with this method. Once you've reached a point where you can no longer stretch your budget, stick to making that extra payment for the remainder of the year. This strategy becomes even more effective when your income increases each year. Tip 4. Recast your mortgage. I recently covered refinancing your mortgage, but how about recasting? If you get an inheritance or other boost in income, consider recasting your mortgage. Some lenders offer this option when they receive a lump sum payment towards the principal. The reamortization of a loan allows you to lower the monthly repayment amount in a flexible way. Instead of just lowering the monthly payment, it is possible for lenders to modify the repayment plan so that the length of time it takes to repay is also shorter. To pay off your mortgage quickly using this strategy, all you'll have to do is make your regular monthly payment and apply the extra money towards the principal. Not all mortgages are eligible for recasting, such as jumbo loans or past due mortgages. The frequency with which a loan can be recast may vary depending on the lenders as well as the down payment requirements. Please note though, that recasting may be subject to an additional fee, so be sure to speak with your lender and understand all the details before proceeding. Tip 5. Apply for flexible mortgage terms. While 15 and 30-year mortgages are most common, there are other options available. Do you think that a shorter loan term would do the trick for you? Shorter terms with a fixed-rate mortgage means less money upfront and the ability to anticipate the future. If you don't know which term length is right for you, an independent mortgage broker can help make a determination. Now, you should really be asking yourself, should you pay off your 30-year mortgage early? Before paying off your mortgage, be sure to take a look at your finances. You'll have to decide whether you're able to pay it off quickly without sacrificing too many of the goals you have for retirement or other investment accounts. Building an emergency fund should be a top priority for everyone. For some households, there may be tax benefits to holding a mortgage as well. Consider these benefits and drawbacks to paying off your mortgage early. Now, let's talk about some pros. 1. Paying off a mortgage early can save you thousands of dollars in interest. 2. When you're faced with the challenge of too much monthly debt, putting more money towards it can help you to stay afloat no matter how expensive things get. Of course, if your priority is getting out of debt faster, then a loan modification could be a better option for you. 3. Being debt-free can give you much-needed peace of mind and be a beacon of stability when tragedy strikes. Now, what are the cons? 1. Homeowners will no longer be able to deduct mortgage interest, so paying off other types of debt may be a better use of your money before your home loan. 2. Analyzing the fastest ways to pay off debt is important. However, do not neglect things like emergency savings or debt consolidation. 3. Mortgage interest rates are so cheap that it can make more sense from an investment perspective. to put any extra money in either a savings account or a stock portfolio. Feel free to check out my video in the description for other tips to pay off your mortgage early, and make sure to watch my other videos on making money online and tips to earn some extra cash in your pocket. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please ensure to hit that subscribe button for more videos where we talk about financial literacy, making money online, money management, becoming financially free. I'm Mr. MT from Make Real Money Tips, and I'm out.